Good morning, students. Today we will discuss nature of matter. The nature of matter. I am writing the heading nature of matter. As you know from the beginning, matter is the substance having its own mass and occupies a space is called as matter. Matter classification of matter is the important thing. Nature of matter, classification of matter. Classification of matter. In this word, matter observed in two state. One is the one basis of classification is physical basis, physical classification, and other is the chemical classification. Chemical classification. On the basis of physical classification, you will find there are three types of matter in the world. One is the solid, other is the liquid, and other is the gas. Solid characteristics properties, you will note it. In case of solid, definite shape, and definite volume, you will note it in case of solid. In case of liquid, definite volume, but not definite shape, In case of gases, no definite shape, no definite volume, and no definite shape. नहीं तो शेप डेफिनेट होता है, नहीं तो वॉल्यूम डेफिनेट होता है. On the basis of chemical classification, you come towards the another context of this matter. Chemical classification substance are matter is classified in two ways: pure substance, and other will be the mixture. Pure substance, fixed ratio of masses of constituent. Fixed ratio of masses of constituent. Fixed ratio of masses of constituent. Masses of constituent. That is the pure substance in two ways. One is the element consists of only one type of atom. You will write here consists of only one type of atom, or you may write simplest and purest form of matter is called as element, and other is the compound made up of two or more atoms of different element, made up of two or more elements, more atoms of different elements in a fixed ratio. It is called as compound. And mixture is of two types. One is the homogeneous. That means if NaCl dissolve in water, it will constitute homogeneous mixture. Other is heterogeneous. Sand and water constitute heterogeneous mixture. That means there will be not uniform composition throughout the mixture. So nature of matter, you have identified nature of matter, two classification basis: physical classification and chemical classification. Physical, solid, liquid and gas. Chemical, pure substance and mixture, that is the impure substance. It is also called impure substance. Pure substance, element and compound. Element consists of only one type of atoms, or the simplest and purest form of matter is called as element. And compound, made up of two or more atoms of different element in accordance with the laws of chemical composition. So it is the compound. And mixture, homogeneous and heterogeneous mixture. Now coming toward the pure substance, some questions regarding to this nature of matter. Suppose One question is asked, which is the example of matter according to physical state at room temperature? Solid, liquid, gas. Which which is an example of matter according to physical state at room temperature. Physical state at room temperature. It is written solid, choice is solid, liquid, third is gas, fourth is all. You will take it all. Question number 2. Which are the type of compound? Organic compound, inorganic compound, both 1 and 2. तो कंपाउंड के क्या हो जाएंगे? दो तरह के कंपाउंड होंगे. ऑर्गेनिक कंपाउंड मेड अप ऑफ कार्बन एंड हाइड्रोजन ओनली, or derivative of carbon and hydrocarbons, and other is the inorganic compound. So there are two types of compound, inorganic compound and organic compound. Now another question is, which is the homogeneous mixture? Homogeneous mixture. Choice is all water and alcohol, water plus alcohol. Second choice is water plus sand. Third choice is water plus oil. क्या होगा आंसर? What will be the answer? Water and alcohol is the homogeneous mixture. Question number 4. Which of the following is a compound? Which is a compound? Choice is graphite. Second option is the producer gas. Third option will be the cement. Fourth option will be the marble. You will tick it marble because it is made up of CaCO3. Producer gas, CO plus N2 is called as producer gas. Cement is the mixture of various type of constituents. Graphite is considered as an elemental state. It is allotrope of carbon. Okay, I think you have understood nature of matter and their classification. Thank you.